Hello everyone. Let us see question number 6. An electric motor receives an ampere electric current from 220 volt electric source. Find the power of motor. First, very important thing. After reading the question first, you have to write given. What are the given data? First one, electric motor receives 10 ampere electric current. We know that electric current indicated by capital I. Capital I is equal to 10 ampere. Yes. ಈಗ next one ಏನು 220 volt electric source. So V is equal to 220 volt. Right? Find the power of motor. I have to find the power P of the motor. Now, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? We know that relation between P, V and I. That is P is equal to V into I equal to V ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 220 volt into 10 ampere ಅಲ್ವಾ? It is 220 into 10 equal to 2200. But what is the SI unit of power? The unit of power is watt. It is represented by capital W, watt. You should mention the unit of any quantity. ಈಗ ನಾನು 2200 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ whether it is ampere, volt or anything meter, it can be anything ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we have to mention W. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಂಗೊಂದು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೇಬು ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಕಿತ್ಲೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we have to mention as watt W. Very simple. P is equal to V into I. It is a ready-made formula. We have to substitute 220 volt and 10 ampere. 220 into 10 will be 2200 watt. This is the answer. Thank you.